How do I adjust the incline on my treadmill to reach a 15-degree angle?
Hello, and welcome to our video on adjusting the incline on your treadmill. If you're looking to amp up your treadmill workout by adding some hills, you're in the right place. We're going to guide you on how to adjust your treadmill to a 15-degree incline.
Understanding treadmill inclines.
Treadmill inclines are an excellent way to simulate hill workouts and to increase the intensity of your exercise. Most modern treadmills have an automatic incline function. While many treadmills measure incline as a percentage, others might use degrees. To convert between the two, remember that a 1% grade roughly equals a 0.57-degree incline.
Adjusting the incline on your treadmill.
Most treadmills have easily accessible incline buttons on the control panel. Follow these steps. 1. Turn on your treadmill and select the manual mode. 2. Find the incline buttons on your console. The buttons could be labeled as incline up and incline down, or just plus and beside an incline icon. 3. To reach a 15-degree incline, press the incline up or plus button until you reach the desired level. If your treadmill measures incline in percentages, adjust it to about 26% to roughly reach a 15-degree incline. Remember, take it slow if you're new to incline workouts. It's best to gradually increase your incline level over several workouts.
Checking the treadmill incline.
After adjusting the incline, the new incline level should be displayed on the console screen. Check the display to ensure that it reflects the correct degree or percentage. If you're unsure about the accuracy of your treadmill's incline settings, you could use a digital inclinometer. This device measures the angle of incline. They're relatively inexpensive and can be a useful tool if you frequently do incline workouts. That's it. Now you know how to adjust the incline on your treadmill to a 15-degree angle. We hope this step-by-step guide was helpful. Remember, always adjust your incline gradually to avoid injury. Happy running and enjoy those hills. Remember, always consult with a fitness professional or your doctor before beginning any new exercise regimen. Happy training!